Black women dating outside their race. All I'm gonna say is buckle up, baby. We in it now. We in.
Black women have two different filtering systems with how they view interracial relationships. So when Kamala Harris married to a white man, when Kamala Harris ran, most black women, that was never on their radar. They didn't even care. They were so focused on supporting her and believing because she went to HBCU, that counts. That the idea of she being dismissed because of who her spouse was with, that wasn't even the furthest thing from their mind. They were actually willing to call out other black people's blackness if they didn't support a black, so-called black woman that was married to a white man with white stepchildren. If Barack Obama had ran and his wife was white, would he have gotten that much support from the black community and specifically black women? That's not unusual. You'll see it with Eve, Serena Williams, Meghan Markle, you name it. A lot of them don't even view it as neutral. They're actually excited, supportive. And then when it comes to black men, especially men with money, men that they want, and even some men that they never did want, they will now have all this energy that they don't have for those ladies. And many of these men have never said anything disparaging about black women.
Brother was cooking, man, in a professional manner. You know what I'm saying? Let that man cook. I will say this. I agree 1,000%. To be honest with you, I didn't even know that Kamala Harris was dealing with a white man until a black guy actually said something about it. No cap. Do y'all really believe that Barack Obama would have received the same look at the beginning or before he got into office that he did if he was married to a white woman? Heck no. Come on, man. Come on. Stop the doggone cap. There is no way. To be honest with you, I'm going to go a step further. Even though he was like one of the first black people that I knew of that ran for president, I don't think he would have got it if he was married to a white woman. Man, let me tell you, man, that boy would have been every name in the book but a child of God if he would have brought a white woman in that doggone White House or tried or attempted to. It wasn't happening, man. Ain't no way. Ain't no. Why
unusual. You'll see.
Hold on. Let me go back.
Black women have two different filtering systems with how they view interracial relationships.
Why is that though? Like I'm real curious as to why that is. If some, not all, if some black women see a black man, especially a successful black man, with a white woman, it seems like it's immediately like they hating on them. They can't stand it. Why in the world didn't you get with, and hear me out, why in the world didn't you get with a black woman? But when they see a black woman with a white man, they're applauding. 9 times, and they're assuming the reason why she got with him because I don't curse, but basically, black dudes ain't so she probably had to get with a white woman because black dudes don't have their stuff together. White dudes do. This is, the type of stuff that they love to throw out there. Instead of giving that black man the benefit of the doubt, maybe he tried with sisters, it didn't work. No, you never hear that. That never go. It don't even pop up in their doggone head. Like he was successful. He thought that he was better. He's with that white woman because she's a yes woman and she just agrees or whatever. He can't deal with a sister. He just wants somebody that's weak-minded. These are the type of conversations that's being had. These are the type of points that's being brought up.
So when Kamala Harris married to a white man, when Kamala Harris ran, most black women, that was never on their radar. They didn't even care. They were so focused on supporting her and believing because she went to HBCU, that counts.
Which, again, I don't see an issue with that. If that's the reason why you choose to jump on that boat to support her, cool. I have no issue with it. But I have a question. Why isn't it the same for the opposite sex? I don't get it. I don't know. Maybe I'll never fully understand that. I just don't get that. I'm one of those people where I'm gonna keep that same energy. I don't care if you're black, blue, white, purple, male, female. I don't care what you identify as. But yeah, it's just gonna be the same across the board, man. I don't get that.
The idea of she being dismissed because of who her spouse was with, that wasn't even the furthest thing from their mind. They were actually willing to call out other black people's blackness if they didn't support a black, so-called black woman that was.
Now hear me out. I know he cooking right now. Hear me out. Tell me why black men were blamed because she didn't get into office. Man, when I tell you the next morning, it ain't even get to the next morning. Bro, during the race, when they basically said that Trump is about to win again, black were getting ate up on every single post, up under in the comment section, and it was black dudes making TikTok. Listen, I voted for her. I didn't even vote. I didn't vote for him. Like, y'all sitting there trying to bash me. Like, and then when the information came out the next morning, they showed the majority of black men did vote for Kamala Harris. Crickets. Didn't nobody say a mother-loving thing, no apology to her, nothing. I mean, just, oh, okay. You just had all this doggone smoke for me. What do you mean? Oh, so now you want to get quiet? Okay, all right, okay, touche.
To a white man with white stepchildren. If Barack Obama had ran and his wife was white, would he have gotten that much support from the black community, and specifically black women? That's not unusual. You'll see it with Eve, Serena Williams.
Yeah, and Serena, she probably ain't gonna never see. I'm highly disappointed in you. Not because of the guy that you married, even though technically, you probably should have got with a brother. But that new little, I don't know, Olympic shot or whatever, you should have stayed thick. You were perfect. And then you got, now your knees look all weak and I don't know what's going on, man. No, you were beautiful before all that. But I think, just my personal belief, if she would have got married to, I don't know, maybe just a regular black guy, he would have put that, listen, you're beautiful just the way I love everything about you. You don't need to change a mother-loving thing. That black love.
Meghan Markle, you name it. A lot of them don't even view it as neutral. They're actually excited, supportive. And then when it comes to black men, especially men with money, men that they want, and even some men that they never did want, they will now have all this energy that they don't have for those ladies. And many of these men have never said anything disparaging about black women.
And that's the main thing. It don't be any, I'm going to go over here and deal with Suzanne because Suzanne respects me. I actually tried with a black woman or some black women and it didn't work out. And, given the circumstances, I was in a certain type of environment and, I was around a white woman or I was around white women. And Suzanne, it just seemed like we were more aligned on more things than not. So, we hit it off and just respect it, man. I don't understand, like, what's all the hate, bro? Like, for real. My thing is, I'm just trying to get people to understand, let's just get back to men and women being together. All right? Let's just start there. I don't care. Black and white, cool. Black and black, white and white, Asian, whatever. Let's just get men and women back to the table, back loving each other, and get rid of all the rest of that other stuff, and we gonna be good. We gonna be golden, dog.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.